Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with video 4 for the compromised skin category, and I want to talk about Maggie's treatment today. So after our double cleanse, we went in with a hydrating enzyme to gently digest dead skin cells without sensitizing the skin. I left it on for about 8 minutes. This was great for softening the sebum, and then I went in with extractions. I used wooden cotton swabs to gently extract. Once I finished, I swiped with an antibacterial, and then I went in with high frequency. This is great for further killing any bacteria. After I did that for about 5 minutes, I went in with 16 minutes of red light therapy. This is great for stimulating mitochondria in the cells and promoting collagen production through fibroblast activity. After that, I went in with about 15 minutes of cryotherapy to help protect the skin against any environmental aggressors, as well as reduce inflammation in the skin, which is amazing post-extraction. And then I went in and did our 45-minute albumin conditioning mask. This is a great repairing treatment as it does not alter the skin's pH. What it does is it stimulates collagen types 1 and 3, Langerhans cells, and keratinocytes. The enzymes in this mask are non-exfoliating and target dead skin cells, toxins, and impurities by turning them into weak acids and flushing them through the lymphatic system with reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis cleans the intercellular matrix, which is the fluid in which our cells live and communicate, by pushing it through that membrane, which will remove the bad things like toxins. The mask initiates substrate action, which energizes skin cells through oxygen uptake to the mitochondria, helping the lymphatic drainage that comes with reverse osmosis. It's broken into 3 phases. The first phase is a hydrolysis, where the enzymes in the mask will neutralize the oxidants, dead cells, and waste. Next is xenodigestion, and this involves activating enzymes that prepare to flush cellular waste out of the system. Finally, biodrainage involves intense drying and tightening of the mask, which applies pressure downward, triggering cytokines to secrete signals and stimulate collagen production. Also, this is where the drainage process begins, and you can see once I removed that mask, intercellular homeostasis was achieved through the plasmatic effect. She did experience more moderate erythema, which will calm down in the next couple hours, and I finished with a mineral SPF. I'll keep you updated for video 5.